Today, I'm going to show you how to make money by just watching videos. So first, I'd like you to go to this website. This website is completely free, and you don't need to spend any money to use it. On this website, you can get paid to take surveys, play games, watch videos, and do more. But we're going to focus on watching videos because this is the easiest and most profitable thing we can do on this website. You'll get 75 cents for watching one video, $3 for watching 4 videos, and $9 for watching 12 videos. Also, I'll show you how to make 10 times that amount later in this video. The best thing about this website is that if you create a new account, you'll get a $1 bonus. Fill in your first name, email address, username, and then make a password to claim it. On the section for the country, just click this drop-down arrow and then choose your country. People from all over the world are welcome, as you can see. So, no matter where you are from, you can start right now and start making a lot of money online. So, when you're done with that, check this box, read their privacy policy, and then click the sign up button. When you do that, they will take you here. As you can see here, for every 100 points you earn, they will give you $1. Once you reach $7, you can automatically cash out your money through PayPal, Bitcoin, or e-gift cards. So, if you want to go on, just click this button right here. After you click that, you will be able to log into your brand new account. Your dashboard would look like this. This site is called gg2u.org, by the way. Now you can see that they gave me $1 as a welcome bonus when I signed up. You can also check out this section right here and look at the companies and their offers on this website. These are some of the world's best and most legitimate businesses. So you can do these offers and make a lot of money. But as I've already said, we're going to focus on watching videos because it pays the most and is the easiest thing to do. And remember that some of the deals are only good for a short time. So try to get them done as quickly as you can. So, if you want to make money just by watching videos, click right here where it says videos. That will bring you to this page. As you can see here, every time you earn 200 points, you'll get a silver token, which will add between $1 and $3 to your account balance. That adds up to 1.5 cents per point. You'll also get about 50 points for watching one video, which means you'll make about 75 cents per video. If you watch 4 videos, you will get $3. And then I'll show you how to make 10 times as much money. Now, what I like about this website is that you can watch different kinds of videos, like sweets, music, celebrity, viral videos, gaming videos, and so on. So all you have to do is click on this button, which will take you to this page where you can watch the video. You can earn 50 points, which is equal to 75 cents, just by watching this video. Now, here's a bonus tip. If you want to make 10 times as much money, watch 10 different videos on 10 different tabs at the same time. You make more money the more videos you watch. You can also watch different videos on different devices at the same time if you have more than one phone or laptop, for example. This is the best way to make the most money because you don't have to watch the videos. You can just play them in the background while you do something else. And here's another tip. Change the video quality to 240p to save some data and speed things up. In this way, you learn as much as you can. This method might not be enough to replace your day job, so I suggest you find more ways to make money on the side. Watch this video right now to find out how to make even more money by typing CAPTCHA.